4 बजे कॉल करी थी वो दिव्या। हाँ, महेंद्र जी गुड न्यूज देंगी।
Sir, 8 seconds.
We can start the meeting, ma'am.
Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, a very good morning to all of you. Greetings of the day. I, Shruti Agarwal, Company Secretary of Manaksia Coated Metals and Industries Limited, welcome you all to the 15th Annual General Meeting of the company. I hope that you and your family are doing well, are safe and in good health. This meeting is being held through video conference mode in accordance with the various circulars, notifications issued by Ministry of Corporate Affairs and Securities and Exchange Board of India from time to time, which permitted the holding of annual general meeting through video conferencing or the audio visual means without the physical presence of the members at a common venue. Thereby, members attending this AGM through PC/OAVM shall be counted for the purpose of reckoning the quorum under section 103 of the Act. Further, I would like to inform you that in compliance with the above mentioned provisions, the notice of the AGM, the annual report have been emailed only to those members whose email IDs are registered with the company and depository participants. And a letter providing the web link, including the exact part where complete details of the annual report is available, has been sent through registered post to those shareholders who have not so registered. The notice dated 22nd July 2025, along with the annual report, is also made available on the company's website of the stock exchange, where shares of the companies are listed, that is National Stock Exchange of India Limited and PSC Limited, and on the website of NSDL Limited, respectively. Now, I would also like to inform you that the Register of Directors and KMP and their shareholding maintained under Section 170 of the Act and the relevant documents referred to in the notice are kept open and accessible electronically for inspection by the members during the continuance of the meeting on the website of the company. Further, the company pursuant to requirement of Section 108 read with company's management and administration amendment rules 2015 has provided the remote e-voting facilities through NSDL to all the shareholders of the company as on the cutoff date 9 September 2025 to cast their votes electronically from 9 a.m. 13 September 2025 to 5 o'clock in the evening, Monday 15 September 2025. Those members who are present in the meeting through PC/OAVM facility and have not casted their vote on the resolutions through remote e-voting and are otherwise not barred from doing so can vote through e-voting system during the continuance of the meeting. All the members who have joined this meeting have been kept muted by default to avoid any background noise and to ensure smooth conduct of the proceeding of the AGM. Once the Q&A session starts, the name of the shareholders will be announced in sequence who have registered themselves as speakers to enable them to speak during the meeting. The speaker shareholders thereafter will be unmuted to speak in order to give fair chance to all the registered speakers. We request you to complete your speech within 2 to 3 minutes of time. The chairman of the meeting reserves the right to restrict the number of questions, time allotted, and number of speakers to ensure smooth conduct of the AGM. The speaker who faces problem to join through video can speak through audio mode only. If there is a connection error at speaker's end, the next shareholder waiting in the queue will be asked to join, and once connectivity improves and time permits, the earlier shareholder will be given a chance to complete his speech. The shareholders who have raised their queries on email upon consideration of relevancy of the queries shall also be responded with all other queries. Now I would request Mr. Siddharth Shankar Roy, Chairman of the meeting, to take forward the proceedings of the meeting. Thank you.
Dear fellow shareholders, ladies and gentlemen, Namaskar and good morning. I express my gratitude towards the members of the board for electing me as the chairman for this meeting. I extend the heartiest welcome to all of you at the 15th annual general meeting of your company and express my thanks for your presence and participation. I, Siddharth Shankar Roy, chairman of the board of directors of the company and chairman of the audit committee and stakeholders relationship committee, attending this meeting from Kolkata. Now, I also welcome other members of the board and would request them to introduce themselves to shareholders.
I am Sushil Kumar Agarwal, Managing Director of the company. Have joined this AGM from our Hyderabad office.
Namaskar, myself Karan Agrawal, full-time director of the company, joining the meeting from Hyderabad.
Namaskar, good morning. Myself Venkat Srinarayana Addanki, whole-time director of the company, attending from Bhopal this AGM.
Namaskar, good morning. I am Pritam Paul, attending from meeting Kolkata. I am non-executive, non-independent director.
Namaskar, good morning. I am Mr. Praveen Kumar Chaudhary, non-executive independent director of the company, joining this meeting from Kolkata.
Good morning to all of you. I, Ms. Gargi Singh, a non-executive independent director of the company and the chairperson of Nomination and Remuneration Committee, are attending this meeting from Bangalore.
Namaskar, myself Mahendra Kumar Bham, CFO of the company, attending the meeting from Hyderabad corporate office.
Now, I would also like to welcome other attendees attending this meeting from Kolkata. Mr. Ankit Santhalia, partner of Messrs. S. Bhalotia and Associates, statutory auditor, and Mr. Asit Kumar Lav from Messrs. A.K. Lav and Company, scrutinizer for the meeting. Mr. Anil Kumar Dubey from M&A Associates, practicing company secretaries, proposed secretarial auditor from the financial year 2025-26 to 2029-2030. As per the confirmation provided by the company secretary, it is placed on record that requisite quorum for conducting the meeting is present. As the requisite quorum is present, the meeting is hereby declared as open. Dear shareholders, I would like to extend my sincere thanks to all of you for your continued trust, encouragement, and support to the company and its management. Your presence today is a testament to the faith that you have placed in us, and we deeply value your partnership in this journey. As in the words of Charles W. Eliot, all business proceeds on the beliefs, judgments, fortitude, and effective decision making. Now about the company. It gives me immense pride to speak about Manaksia Coated Metals and Industries Limited, a distinguished name in the manufacturing and export of high-quality coated metal products. With a strong legacy of excellence, MCMIL has firmly established itself as a leading producer of pre-painted coated galvanized steel and galvanized steel products, offered in both coil and sheet forms. The company's advanced facility located in Kutch, Gujarat, is the backbone of this success, where advanced technology and stringent quality standards come together to deliver value-added steel products. These products are the building blocks of the modern world, playing a pivotal role in construction, automotive, home appliances, FMCG, and general engineering industries. MCMIL's commitment to quality, sustainability, and safety is reflected in the prestigious certifications. The company proudly holds 3-star Export House certification, ISO 9001-2015 for quality management, ISO 14001:2015 for environmental management, and OHSAS 18001:2007 for occupational health and safety. These accolades are not just recognitions, they are a testament to the company's philosophy of excellence without compromise. The company's footprint extends well beyond India with a robust customer base in Europe, Africa, and the Middle East, underscoring the reputation of the company as a trusted global partner. This trust has been built on our ability to consistently deliver superior products, tailored solutions, and dependable services. On the financial front, MCMIL has demonstrated consistent growth powered by operational excellence and strategic focus. The company recorded a revenue growth from rupees 739.62 crores in financial year 2024 to rupees 781.60 crores in financial year 2025, despite challenges such as fluctuating steel prices. Our EBI, TDA, net profit, and EPS also witnessed notable improvements with earnings per share rising from rupees 1.73 in FY24 to rupees 2.10 in FY25. This is a clear reflection of enhanced shareholder value and the strong future growth trajectory of the company. As we look ahead, the company's vision remains clear: to innovate, expand, and set new benchmarks in the coated metals industry. The company is confident that with our robust foundation, strong customer trust, and relentless pursuit of excellence, MCMIL will continue to achieve greater milestones, delivering value to all stakeholders while contributing to the nation's industrial growth. I would like to thank my distinguished board members for their guidance and support. I would also like to express my gratitude to the entire management team and our employees for their hard work, dedication, and commitment. Their tireless efforts have been instrumental in driving our success. I also convey my sincere thanks to our customers, suppliers, bankers, auditors, legal advisors, consultants, and all other business associates, and the government and various authorities for their continued support and confidence in the company and its management. I assure you that we remain committed to creating a long-term value and delivering sustainable growth for all our stakeholders. Together, we have built a company that is not only resilient and successful, but also poised for long-term growth. The company extends good wishes for the upcoming festive season on behalf of the company. Thank you. Stay safe, stay healthy. Namaskar. Now I would request MD sir to carry on with his speech.
Thank you, Chairman sir. Namaskar.
Namaskar.
Namaskar to everyone and good morning. My esteemed shareholders, board members, and colleagues, on behalf of the board of directors, it gives me immense pleasure to welcome you all to this 15th annual general meeting for the fiscal year 2024-25. It is an honor to stand before you to share the achievement and performance of your esteemed company. When I first walked through the doors of the company, I never imagined how much I would learn and grow. All face difficulties and obstacles, but it is how we respond that defines us. Our achievements this year are especially significant when viewed against the backdrop of a complex and uncertain global economic environment. And now for the year, especially 2024-25 was marked by several macroeconomic factors that impacted businesses worldwide. We saw a continued slowdown in global economic growth with various projections pointing to a deceleration in major economies like the US and China. Geopolitical tensions, including the war between Russia, Ukraine, Gulf countries, and new forms of tariff measures, particularly those in key shipment corridors, led to persistent supply chain disruptions and elevated transportation costs. Additionally, while global inflation showed signs of moderating, some regions continued to face inflationary pressures affecting both consumer demand and input costs. Despite these headwinds, India has remained a global bright spot with strong domestic demand and a resilient manufacturing sector. Our strategic focus on operational efficiency and market diversification allowed us to mitigate external risks and capitalize on India's growth story. This performance is a testament of our agility and our ability to adapt to changing market dynamics. We meet today at a time when India stands at the cusp of unprecedented economic growth, with the country emerging as one of the fastest growing major economies, and the government's strong emphasis on infrastructure development, manufacturing, and sustainable growth has created a fertile ground for industries like ours to thrive. Now I'm coming to our performance. The steel sector, being the backbone of infrastructure, is playing a pivotal role in this transformation. Industries, roads, railways, ports, airports, housing, renewable energy, and urban infrastructure, etc., all depend on reliable and high-quality steel. In this national journey of growth, our company has taken significant strides to align our vision with the country's ambitions. I am pleased to share that despite significant challenges ranging from rising input and energy costs to supply chain disruptions, our company has delivered outstanding results. Our commitment to operational excellence is evident in our improved sales and profitability during the fiscal year. For the fiscal year under review, our revenue grew to rupees 781.63 crores compared to rupees 739.65 crores in the previous year, which ended on March 31st, 2024. Additionally, we achieved a profit of rupees 15.39 crores, a significant increase from rupees 11.24 crores in the prior fiscal year. This performance is attributed to our proactive implementation of cost control measures, including stringent inventory management, better capacity utilization, waste reduction, and a more efficient procurement strategy. A key priority has been optimizing capacity utilization, which has allowed us to increase the sales of galvanized and color-coated steel coils, both in key Indian markets and international exports. Looking ahead, we are nearing the completion of the upgrade of our galvanizing line, enabling the processing of aluminum zinc alloy coated steel coils. This modification will also increase our production capacity by approximately 35 to 40%. We expect the project to be commissioned within this fiscal year, positioning us to drive higher sales and profitability in the years ahead. Aluminum zinc alloy offers superior durability and enhanced resistance to heat and corrosion, making it more resilient across various climates compared to traditional galvanized metal. With increasing demand, this material is rapidly replacing zinc-coated steel and is widely recognized as a green product by numerous agencies involved in sustainable building certifications. Aluminum zinc-coated steel has emerged as the material of choice for industries such as pre-engineering buildings and industrial warehousing, with rising adoption in cold storage, automotive, appliance sectors, etc. International demand, particularly from Europe, remains strong, supported by our established network of buyers. Our strategic proximity to Mundra and Kandla ports further enhances our export potential, providing us with a logistical advantage that strengthens our pricing competitiveness. Your company is proactively addressing the growing demand for its products by undertaking a significant expansion of its color coating capacity. The company has announced plans to install a new state-of-art color coating line, which will substantially increase its pre-painted steel production capacity. This strategic investment is part of our larger capital expenditure plan aimed at technology upgrades and forward integration. The color coating line, which is expected to be a modern and a highly automated system, will not only boost production but also ensure a higher quality, durable, and aesthetically superior finish of the coated metals, catering to evolving needs of its customers in sectors like construction, automotive, home appliances, etc. This move will help Manaksia coated metals to meet the rising domestic and global requirements and strengthen its market position. In keeping with growing global awareness for climate change, your company is actively transitioning to cleaner fuel sources across its operations. As part of this commitment, we are planning to establish a solar power plant with a capacity of approximately 7 megawatt in Gujarat for captive consumption. This initiative also aligns with the Gujarat government's solar policy 2024, which promotes a cleaner and greener environment. We anticipate that power generated from this solar power plant will help us with around 50% reduction in our energy costs, while simultaneously helping to lower carbon footprint, a critical factor in meeting export requirements for European markets. This not only supports our sustainability objectives, but also positions us to enhance our export sales by meeting stringent environmental standards in key international markets. Moreover, the project strengthens our commitment to environmental conservation and responsible business practices. In FMCG sector, Manaksia has been a trusted manufacturer of ultramarine blue powder, marketed as Robin Blue, at our Bhopal facility under a contract manufacturing agreement with Reckitt Benckiser. The plant continues to operate efficiently with optimal capacity utilization. Your company is poised for significant growth in current financial year, driven by strategic capacity expansion of coated steel and a focus on modern technology, operational efficiency, sustainability, and high margin products. The company facility in Kutch, Gujarat is undergoing a major upgrade and expansion, including the conversion of its galvanizing line to alu-zinc technology, which will increase capacity from 132,000 metric ton per annum to 180,000 metric ton per annum. Additionally, the installation of new color coating line will more than double its pre-painted steel capacity from 86,000 metric ton per annum to 236,000 metric ton per annum. These enhancements are expected to boost production volume and enables the company to meet the rising demand in both domestic and international markets, particularly for value-added products used in construction, automotive, appliance sectors, etc. The company's strong Q1 performance with a sustainable increase in net profits and total income and a robust order book for the coming quarter further underscores the positive outlook as the benefits of these investments begin to materialize. Your company remains firmly committed to its corporate social responsibilities and taking initiatives and continues to take proactive steps in fulfilling these obligations. The health and safety of our employees is also of paramount importance, and we have instituted stringent protocols at all our locations to ensure a secure working environment. We are acutely aware of market risks inherent in our industry and actively manage them through meticulous planning, strategic foresight, and a well-balanced product portfolio. Our continuous innovation and market expansion, both domestically and internationally, have positioned us well for future growth. Furthermore, prudent financial management and cost control initiatives have bolstered our margins and ensured sustained profitability. As we look ahead to a promising future, I would like to express on behalf of the board our heartfelt gratitude to our shareholders, business partners, the central and state governments, our banking institutional partners, and all stakeholders for the unwavering support. I also extend sincere thanks and gratitude to our employees for their valued contribution to the company's success. Once again, I convey my thanks to our esteemed shareholders for your continued trust and confidence in us. Together, we are building not just a strong company, but also contributing to a stronger India. I also take this opportunity to wish you and your family a very happy and prosperous festivals of Sri Durga Puja and Deepavali. Namaskar. Thank you.
Now I request Mr. Karan Agarwal, full-time director of the company, to address the shareholders regarding future outlook of the company. Thank you.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It gives me great pleasure to welcome all of you to the 15th annual general meeting of our company. At the outset, I would like to extend my gratitude to our shareholders, employees, customers, and all partners for their continued trust and support. The year under review has been a period of resilience and progress for our company. Despite dynamic global environment, we are proud to report a healthy growth in our sales volumes. The growth reflects our strong market presence, our ability to adapt to changing customer needs, and relentless efforts of our team in driving operational efficiencies. We are proud to report healthy growth in our sales volumes, which in fact our total quantities sold surpassed a milestone of 1 lakh metric tons in financial year 25, a landmark achievement in our journey. This strong performance was underpinned by a 22% increase in total production of galvanized and pre-painted steel compared to FY24. Equally encouraging was the growth in the highest form of value-added product, PPGI, where sales registered a notable quantitative increase of 23% year on year. With this, the revenue share of pre-painted steel touched an impressive 74%, reflecting our sharp focus on enhancing value addition, deepening relationships with OEM customers, and expanding our export footprint. One of the key contributors to this performance has been the enhanced capacity utilization across our manufacturing units. Through continuous process improvements, better planning, and focused efficiency initiatives, we achieved higher output levels without significant additions to fixed costs. This not only allowed us to meet growing demand, but also to improve our cost competitiveness. Exports have been a particularly bright spot for us in this year. Our export volumes grew 28% year on year, with export revenues touching an all-time high contribution of 39% of the total revenue of financial year 25. We also achieved a major breakthrough by securing a milestone export order of rupees 250 crores from a leading European client, which underscores our ability to compete successfully in international markets and the trust our customers place in us for long-term business association. With Europe emerging as a key growth frontier, we foresee a large part of our future sales growth coming from this market. On the strategic front, I am pleased to share another significant development: the successful tie-up of an equity fundraise of rupees 135 crore. This milestone is instrumental in funding our next wave of capacity expansion and will also support our transition towards green energy initiatives. The success of this fundraise also demonstrates the trust and faith the investor community and financial markets have in our company and our strategy and execution capabilities. Looking ahead, we remain optimistic about sustaining this growth momentum. With enhanced capacity utilization, strong export performance, higher value addition, and infusion of strategic capital for growth and sustainability, we are confident of strengthening both our domestic and international presence in the years to come. Once again, I would like to thank all our stakeholders for their invaluable support. Together, we will continue to take this company to greater heights. Thank you very much, and I request our chairman, Shri Siddharth Shankar Roy, to proceed with the AGM.
Thank you. Since the annual report of the company is with you, I consider the director's report, annual audited financial statements, and the auditor's report thereon. Notice dated 22nd July 2025, along with the explanatory statement as read. Now I request Mrs. Shruti Agarwal, Company Secretary, to briefly read out the businesses as set out in the notice. Over to Company Secretary, Mrs. Shruti Agarwal.
So the agenda items it's set out in the notice are as follows. Ordinary business is set out in the notice of agenda number 1 to consider and adopt the annual audited standalone financial statements of the company for the financial year ended 31st March 2025 and the reports of the board of directors and auditors thereof. The annual audited consolidated financial statement of the company for the financial year ended 31st March 2025 and the report of auditors thereof. Agenda number 2 to declare a final dividend of 5% per equity share of ₹1 each of the company for the financial year ended 31st March 2025. Agenda number 3 to appoint a director in place of Mr. Venkatesh Srinarayan Adamki, who retires by rotation at this annual general meeting and being eligible offers himself for reappointment. Special business as set out in the notice are agenda number 4, ratification of remuneration of cost auditors for the financial year ending March 31st, 2025. Agenda number 5, appointment of Mr. Anil Kumar Dubey, partner of Mrs. M&A Associates, practicing company secretaries as secretarial auditors and fix their remuneration. Now I would request the chairman, sir, to proceed further with the meeting.
Thank you. The names of the shareholders will be called out in sequence of their registration to raise their query. Detailed explanation regarding question and answer session has already been informed by our company secretary. You are hence requested to keep your queries brief and in line with just the operations of the company. The queries will be answered once we listen to all the queries raised. The question and answer session begins now.
Our first speaker is Mr. Bimal Krishna Sarkar.
हेलो हेलो सर सुनाई दे रहा है मैडम?
Yes, sir.
हाँ मैं वेरी गुड आफ्टरनून। मैं विमल कृष्ण सरकार, मेरा रेसिडेंस कलकत्ता से बोल रहा हूँ। सर माननीय अध्यक्ष जी, अन्य पदाधिकारीवृंद, केएमपी, आदरणीय कंपनी सेक्रेटरी श्रुति मैडम और उपस्थित शेयर होल्डर, मैं पहले चेयरमैन साहब आप और एमडी साहब जो वैल्यूएबल प्रेजेंटेशन दिया है कंपनी का परफॉर्मेंस के बारे में, इसलिए आपको मैं आप दोनों को मैं बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद देता हूं। सर इस बार हमारा कंपनी सेक्रेटरी बहुत एक्सीलेंट इन्वेस्टर सर्विस देता है, उनको भी धन्यवाद देता हूं। सर देखिए जियो पॉलिटिकल टेंशन वो अभी भी चल रहा है और करंट स्लो डाउन इन इकोनॉमी, ये सब होते हुए भी हमारा कंपनी जो रिजल्ट लेके आया है ये बहुत अच्छा रिजल्ट है। रेवेन्यू फ्रॉम ऑपरेशन 5.6% इंक्रीज हुई है। सबसे बड़ी बात यह है प्रॉफिट आफ्टर टैक्स सिग्निफिकेंट इंक्रीज हुआ है, इंक्रीज बाय 36.94%। मैं चेयरमैन साहब आपका पूरा टीम को अप्रिशिएट करता हूं, धन्यवाद देता हूं। सर ये आप लोग बात कर रहे थे, इसमें मैंने सुन लिया है सर क्रेडिट रेटिंग इम्प्रूविंग, बहुत अच्छी बात आई है। एट प्रेजेंट जो आपसे आप लोग आपस में बात कर रहे थे उसमें मैंने सुन लिया है, तो ये बहुत अच्छी बात है कि क्रेडिट रेटिंग इम्प्रूविंग हो रहा है। सर क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, सर डोमेस्टिक सेल रिड्यूस हो रहा है सर 4.05, सर व्हेयरएज एक्सपोर्ट सेल इंक्रीज बाय 26.91%। सर मैं जानना चाहता हूँ सर डोमेस्टिक सेल क्यों रिड्यूस हो रहा है। नंबर 2, सर अनलिस्टेड 2 सब्सिडरीज है, Manaksia इंटरनेशनल FZE एंड नंबर 2 JPA स्नैक्स प्राइवेट लिमिटेड। सर बोर्ड हमारा बोर्ड ने डिसीजन लिया है और अप्रूव भी किया है कि ये कंपनी को Manaksia कोटेड मेटल एंड इंडस्ट्रीज के साथ इसको मर्ज करेंगे। मैं जानना चाहता हूँ सर ये जो मर्जर कर रहा है इसका क्या कारण है, और एक इसको मर्जर होने के बाद क्या एडवांटेज हमारा कंपनी का होगा, इसके बारे में थोड़ा हाईलाइट करें। सर, CSR ऑब्लिगेशन से एज पर सेक्शन 135 सब सेक्शन 5 ऑब्लिगेशन से 22.95 लाख और स्पेंड किया 25.37 लाख। मैं CSR कमेटी को एक्सीलेंट परफॉर्मेंस के लिए, एक्टिविटीज के लिए मैं बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद देता हूँ। चेयरमैन साहब, आप और आपका पूरा टीम, मैनेजमेंट टीम, कंपनी सेक्रेटरी, टोटल एम्प्लॉय, मैं ईश्वर से एक प्रार्थना करता हूँ आप लोग स्वस्थ रहे और ऐसा ही हमारा कंपनी को आगे लेके चले और नेक्स्ट ईयर आशा करेंगे और हम लोगों को गुड डिविडेंड मिले। सर, मेरे को बोलने का मौका दिया गया है, इसलिए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। नमस्कार सर। नमस्कार ऑल ऑफ यू सर।
Our next speaker is Mr. Manjeet Singh.
Ma'am, see, he is not present in the meeting. Shall we move ahead?
Yes. So our third speaker is Mr. Amit Kumar Banerjee.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Continue.
Oh. Good noon to everyone. Respected chairman of the meeting, other board members present, myself, Amit Kumar Banerjee from City of Kolkata. Thank you for getting me connected, an opportunity to speak. Such a wonderful meeting today organized by our company, Manaksia Coated Metals and Industries Limited. It is our 15th annual general meeting of the company. Yes?
Yes, sir.
It is very nice performance, strong export growth, steady progress, total revenue improved about 790 crores in comparison with the last year, about 746 crores. Profit, net profit grows 16 crores from 12 crores. EPS also 2.1 from 1.73. Market price of the shares quoting today around 139.67. It is very nice. Dividend, though of course we are getting 0.05 paisa at the rate of rupees 1. So kindly keep attention the value of that dividend price. Yes, also our performance significant growth. I'm really thankful for the management, the entire team. Also noted the project expansion were made during the year. Maybe hope it will increase capacity and improve operational efficiency. Kindly share your views about the project now at present, the status. About amalgamation of JPA Snacks with the company. Kindly share your current status. It is also very nice and good that that the institutional investors are investing their holdings. They are increasing their holdings. The promoters quoting pattern of quoting is also changing. The promoters holdings is now decreasing 56.17% from 65.67%. So what's the plan for that? Whether you are also planning to increase your holdings or not, kindly share your views. Consider one get together. In spite of the very good results, we being a minority shareholders are not getting in appropriate form. So do consider. Hope our company will definitely improve, better result with high profitabilities year ahead, keeping definitely in mind shareholders' rewarding policy. Myself, Amit Kumar Banerjee, over to you for further proceedings. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Our fourth speaker is Mr. Sujan Modak.
Yeah, you can hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Namaskar. Good afternoon. Respected Chairman, other Board of Directors, and Sujan Modak. I'm joining this meeting from my residence in Kolkata, sir. Sir, if you see our performance, our company's performance is very good, sir. Revenue from operation, profit before tax, after tax, all have really jumped up. And sir, your initial speech has given very nice information about our company. I'm not going to take much time, sir. I'm coming to my points. So my question is that what is the capacity utilization of our running plants, if you can give us? Is it 100% capacity running or is less? And my second question is that we are exporting in 43 countries around the world. तो सर ये जो अभी स्पेशली जो अमेरिका में जो अनप्रेडिक्टेबल मिस्टर ट्रम्प हैज इंक्रीज द टैरिफ, सो उसके लिए हमारा कुछ एक्सपोर्ट्स में कुछ कमी आ रहा है और ओवरऑल फाइनेंशियल क्या का ऊपर क्या इफेक्ट करेगा? अगर कुछ करेगा तो प्लीज बताएं तो अच्छा रहेगा सर. एंड नाउ इज AI टेक्नोलॉजी इज एवरीवेयर, from a bread company to the steel company, everywhere they are talking about AI technology. So what is our thought process, if you can give us? On renewable energy front, what is we are doing? If you can give us a brief on that, it will be very kind of you. Sir, what I understand is that if we don't go exactly to the numbers in the balance sheet, but still our company's financial strength is very, very strong. For that, I really congratulate especially our CFO and all the management team for doing a very good service to our company. Before I finish, I'd like to definitely thank our company secretary, Madam Shruti Agarwal, and her whole team for doing a very good investor services to the investors community. Namaskar. Thank you very much, sir. Namaskar.
Thank you, sir. Our fifth and last speaker is Mr. Gautam Nandi.
Am I audible, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Very good noon and namaskar. Respected Chairman, Board of Directors, online fellow shareholders, myself, Gautam Nandi from Kakurgachi, Kolkata, very old equity shareholder of your company. I have received the annual report, notice, joining link through email early in advance. I have also received the hard copy of your annual report as requested. So my hearty thanks to our respected company secretary and the whole team of your secretarial department for rendering good services to our minority shareholders. Sir, you are organizing your annual general meeting through video conference, and I find it is a grand success like the previous years. Sir, I am very pleased to receive your wonderful annual report, which is very informative and also very self-explanatory. So thanks for your good presentation. Sir, I find very good performance in every segment, even in this challenging year. Sir, almost all companies are suffering, but in this market scenario, you are doing extremely well. So thank you, sir. Sir, your CSR is also remarkable. So please keep it up. I am very pleased to receive your dividend, whichever it may be. Even in this challenging situation, we are getting the dividend in this market. This is more than enough. So thanks again, sir. Sir, I just like to share 1 or 2 points. Sir, what is the direct or indirect impact on our company after the changes in the rate of GST, which will be affected from 22nd of this month? Sir, who are the main competitors in our country? Sir, you have adopted AI technology in our company. Please tell us how this technology is helping our company for further modernization. And last but not the least, what is the roadmap of our company for the next 3 to 4 years, especially related to the growth of our company? Sir, I am very proud to be a shareholder of your company. I have full trust with our strong management, sir. So, along with my family, wholeheartedly support your all resolutions, which you have already casted through our e-voting. Sir, looking forward with a positive outlook towards our company with higher profit margin, handsome dividend and return. May God bless you, sir. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you, sir. Namaste. Gautam Nandi signing off.
Thank you, sir. Now I request our chairman, sir, to proceed further with the meeting.
I would like to express my thanks to our shareholders for their keen interest in the affairs of the company and also for the suggestions and advice to the management. Now I request our managing director to reply to the queries of shareholders.
Thank you, Chairman, sir. First of all, I want to express my gratitude and thanks for all shareholders, and particularly the shareholders who have shown, who have raised, who have some queries, and further encouraged with their good words and motivation. Now, I would just, I think, synchronously, I will address the question answer. First, Mr. Bimal Kumar Sarkar had raised the question. I wish to reply that, Mr. Sarkar, we are utilizing the best capacity utilization in our all lines. So today, as you asked, why domestic sales are decreasing, our total sales are improving at a very significant rate. Now, given the limited capacity, whatever we have, we see a better realization and profitability in our export sales. So we are increasing more of export sales, and that is the reason that domestic market, our sales have decreased. But not to worry, our company has shown a very good growth, and further, as you heard in our AGM, we are increasing our capacities. In the next financial year, you will see much greater results with increase in sales in international export market as well as in domestic market. Regarding, I think the question you raised about the one subsidiary company, JPS Snacks, merger and amalgamation. Now, I wish to say that JPS Snacks, this subsidiary had been started with a project pilot, as a project pilot in unrelated business. Now we have actually we have tried, we have seen, and thereafter this business became dormant, and now there is no point in maintaining the company, and hence we see no good future in this unrelated business. Hence, we are merging this JPS Snacks with our parent company. I think I'm also thankful to you for your encouragement given to the company. Our next speaker was Mr. Amit Kumar Banerjee. Thank you, Mr. Banerjee, for your encouraging words. You have requested for higher dividend. Sir, we are utilizing all our accruals for bigger expansions and growth of the company, and we have declared dividend to the best possible at this juncture. Hopefully, in future, company will be declaring better dividends to the shareholders. Regarding JPA merger and amalgamation, I have already explained. I think you must have noted the points. Regarding expansion projects, as explained in detail in our AGM meeting, that company is expanding its capacity both for galvanizing line to aluzinc line, where capacity is increasing by about 40%. And for color coating line, we are expanding our capacity more than 200%, from current 86,000 to 236,000. So it's a significant jump in our capacity expansion, which we are planning to complete within, I think, in the next 2 quarters. Probably will be, I think everything will be completed. This expansion of aluzinc line will be completed within this fiscal year. Now, regarding your question to if promoters are thinking to increase shareholding, now we are very happy to inform you that in last 2 rounds of fundraising, one in 2024, next was 2025, the promoter shareholders have already increased their shareholding and will continue as and when any opportunity arises. So we are aware of it. We are very confident of company. We are very confident. That is why the promoters are increasing its shareholding and always contributing in the fresh issues. I hope I have been able to answer all your questions. Now, our next speaker was Mr. Sujan Modak. Thank you, Mr. Modak, with your encouraging words. You have asked for capacity utilization. I think Mr. Karan Agarwal is going to answer this all these questions, whatever you have raised regarding capacity utilization, tariff impact, AI technology, and brief about the renewable energy project. Over to Karan.
Thank you, Mr. Modak, for your questions. I'll answer them quite briefly. The first one was regarding capacity utilization, the current status of the utilization. I'm happy to share that as per the latest numbers reported of Q1 FY26, we have utilized capacity of pre-painted steel production at the rate of 100%, which is an all-time high. And the capacity of the continuous galvanizing line has been utilized at, again, an unprecedented rate of 86%. So we are doing quite well in terms of our capacity utilization rate of both the continuous lines at our Kutch plant. Question number 2 was regarding the impact of tariffs on our exports. Well, I think we are fortunate not to have any exposure to the North American markets, especially United States of America. And this particular situation has helped us avoid any kind of negative impact on our business. And I feel that even for the near future, since we are completely disconnected to the North American markets for our exports, we do not foresee any negative impact on our ongoing business and future growth due to the tariff trade war. Well, on my thoughts of AI technology adoption, yes, AI technology has been in the news and on everybody's mind for helping grow the business and bringing in more efficiencies and new age technologies in the company. And we are continuously trying to monitor which technology will help us. I mean, precisely, I can tell you that in terms of customer relationship management, we are planning to adopt AI-driven customer relationship management module in our company, which will help forecast demands and needs and projections in a much better manner using AI. And hopefully, we will be announcing concrete on this front very soon. Your last question was regarding our footprint in renewable energy. I think you must have heard in our MD's speech that we are embarking upon a large, your investment in a 7 megawatt captive solar power plant. And I think this is a very large initiative and a huge commitment on behalf of the company towards sustainability and reduction of carbon footprint, and it will replace more than 50% of our total energy requirements, which we are currently dependent on the state grid. So I think this is a significant step towards the transition towards green energy. I think our last speaker was Mr. Gautam Nandi. His questions were pertaining to impact of the GST rate change. Well, I think the government has obviously taken a positive step for increasing consumer spending towards things like FMCG, housing, construction material, etc. And although our product has not been directly impacted with the GST rate change, but we do feel positive that due to the overall reduction in housing and construction building material industry in general, there would be a boost in terms of spending towards housing and construction, which will indirectly impact the demand for steel and products that our company makes as well. Yes, automotive is also one of the other steps where government has incentivized consumers to encourage buying of automobiles by reducing the GST rate, and which in turn also helps the consumption of steel indirectly by the automakers. The other question was regarding the main competitors in the market. Well, I would like to say that the market for our products, which is galvanized and pre-painted steel, is a consolidated market with limited players, contributing the whole market landscape. And we do compete with both large and medium-sized companies in the market. The large ones would be the integrated steel companies like JSW or Tata Steel and the likes of the other large players. And on the medium scale companies, there are multiple companies like Jindal India or Color Shine, etc. The question regarding AI technology, I believe I have already answered. I hope it is satisfactory. And I think the last question was quite relevant to be asked during the AGM, which was regarding the growth roadmap of the company for the next 3 to 4 years. And I think our MD has quite graciously explained about the aggressive growth initiatives that we are taking, with more than 200% increase in the capacity of pre-painted steel and more than 40% enhancement in the capacity of galvanized alu zinc steel. I think with these capacity ramp-ups, the roadmap is quite clear that the company is looking for a growth rate which is quite aggressive in targeting triple-digit growth in the next 2 to 3 years. And I think we are quite driven to value creation and increasing the company's performance in terms of revenue, profitability, and market cap. And our investment journey will continue to follow beyond these investments which have already been announced, which will lead to continuous momentum of this growth over the next 3 to 4 years. We can promise you that much. Thank you very much, and have a great day ahead.
Thank you, Karan. And I once again show my gratitude and express thanks to all the speakers for their encouraging words and their guidance. I hope we will continue to receive all your support even in future. Now, I request the chairman to proceed further with the meeting. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, MD sir. I would like to inform you that those members who are present in the meeting through VC, that is video conferencing or other audiovisual means facility, and have not cast their vote on the resolutions earlier through remote e-voting, can vote through e-voting system during the continuance of this meeting. The e-voting platform will remain open for 15 minutes post conclusion of the meeting. The company has appointed Mr. Asit Kumar Love from Messrs. A.K. Love and Company, Company Secretaries as scrutinizer for the AGM to scrutinize the e-voting in fair and transparent manner. The consolidated results of e-voting along with scrutinizer's report on the resolutions contained in the notice would be declared within 2 working days from the conclusion of this AGM and will also be available on the website of the company and the website of NSDL. And the same shall also be submitted to the stock exchanges where the shares of the company are listed, that is, the National Stock Exchange of India Limited and BSE Limited, within the stipulated time. The shareholders can also view the scrutinizer report at the official website of the National Stock Exchange of India Limited and BSE Limited. Further, the results will also be placed on the notice board of the company at the registered office. I would like to express my gratitude to all our shareholders for attending the annual general meeting and actively participating in this meeting. Thank you. Over to the Company Secretary, Ms. Shruti Agarwal.
Thank you, sir. Now I request Ms. Gargi Singh, Independent Director of the company, to give vote of thanks to the chair and members and conclude this meeting. Over to you, Gargi ma'am.
A very good afternoon to everyone, respected chairperson, esteemed member of the board, distinguished shareholder, and all the members of the company. As we conclude this 15th annual general meeting, Manaksia Coated Metals and Industries Limited, it is both an honor and privilege to extend my deepest gratitude to all who have contributed to the success of today's proceeding. First and foremost, I would like to express my sincere appreciation to our esteemed chairman, Siddharth Shankar Roy, sir. Sir, your visionary leadership and strategic insights have been instrumental in guiding Coated Metals and Industries Limited through another year of remarkable achievements. Your ability to articulate our goals and inspire confidence among the shareholder is truly commendable. I would also like to extend my heartfelt thanks to the members of our board and all the board of directors, including Mr. Shishil Kumar Agarwal, the managing director of our company. Sir, your unwavering commitment, astute judgment, and collaborative spirit have been essential in navigating the complexities of our business environment. Your guidance has not only shaped our strategic direction but has also forfeited our resolve to pursue excellence for the longer goods. To our valued shareholder, thank you for your continued trust and support. Your belief in our visions fuels our ambitions and drive us to deliver sustainable values. We are committed to maintaining transparency and fostering a relationship built on mutual respect and success. I would be remiss if I did not acknowledge the exceptional efforts of our management team, which includes our company secretary, Ms. Shruti Agarwal, and all the dedicated employees of the company. Your hard work, innovation, and commitment to our mission are the cornerstone of our success. It is your dedication only that propels our company names forward, ensuring we remain at the forefront of our mission. Additionally, I would also wish to recognize the contribution of our partners, suppliers, and all the clients of the company. Your collaboration and supports are invaluable as we strive for excellence in every endeavor. Lastly, I would like to thank each one of you present here for your engagement and participation. Your insights and contributions are vital as we move forward into another year of promising and a successful year ahead. In the closing, let us carry the momentum from this meeting into our future endeavors. Together, we'll continue to build on our success and strive for new heights. Good wishes for upcoming festive seasons, all of you. On behalf of our company, here we conclude our 15th annual general meeting through VC and QEAV means. Thank you, everyone, once again for your presence and contribution. Thank you. Stay safe.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you,
Everyone for
everyone.
joining the meeting.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thanks, everybody.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
We have stopped the live streaming of